Hey guys, back with another quick tip to answer your question. This one I got quite a bit on how to transition your cat from eating store-bought kibble to eating homemade food. I recently put up a video that got a lot of attention on how to make homemade cat food, and one of the major questions that I got in it was, if your cat is used to kibble, how do you transition them? So the first thing I'm going to tell you is that it takes your cat 5 minutes to walk through the door after they asked you to open it. So if they refuse the food that you make them right away, don't get discouraged. Cats are cautious, be patient with them. Take a little time to help them to transition. Some cats are different, they go to it straight away. If the cat is older, especially if they've been on store food for quite a while, it may take them a little bit to get used to it. But here's a few tips that'll help you do it. First thing that I would say, for my cat, my older 13-year-old cat, I had to put a little bit on my finger and put it really close to her and let her smell it, and then let her slowly choose to lick it, or on the tip of a spoon. That works too. Here's something that may surprise you. Your cat really does trust you. And when you give just a small amount on your finger or hand it to them on the tip of a spoon, they perceive that as you giving it to them, and they will trust it a little more than if you just put a bowl down on the floor and let them go at it, because that in their mind is more like something they're trying to decide whether or not it's okay to have it. So when you hand it to them, they trust it, it's okay, it's for them, you're letting them know it's okay. They're more likely to take little sniffs, take little licks, then after they eat it for a little bit and they've decided, I actually like this, spread some very thin on a plate or a saucer or anything like that, because the thinner it is, the more they're going to be able to smell the fragrance and just lick a little bit, and then they'll start to try it. You can put it down and walk away, leave it for a while. Some cats are more prone to try things when no one is looking. It just depends on the character of your cat. So if they don't take it right away, don't take it away right away. Leave it for a while. Let them see if they're willing to try it later. Another thing is that cats really don't taste a whole lot. They actually smell more than they taste. So that's why most of your cat foods are very stinky, very strong fragrances. That will draw them to try to taste it. So you could try adding fragrant things, like a little drop of fish oil or a little bit of fish that, typically low salt fish, but even a sardine or something like that, if it's just a little bit just to get them to taste it or start eating it, then that's okay. A little bit of cheese, any of these things that have a really strong fragrance, you can go ahead and put just a little on top, and as they eat it, they'll eat some of the food and then they'll continue out from there. Usually once they've eaten it once or twice, then they're okay. You can just put it down and they'll know that it's all right to go to it. But I just want to encourage you, if they don't eat it right away, don't get discouraged, don't give up. Work with them for a little bit. Typically, the younger the cat, the quicker they'll transition. The older the cat, the more set in their ways they are, but you will get it. So just be patient, work with them. You'll be glad you did, because it's cheaper, it's healthier, it's just so much better for them. My 13-year-old cat plays like a kitten. Nobody believes how old she is because she doesn't show it and she doesn't act it. So do what you need to do to get them eating a healthy diet. I hope that has answered your question. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to be notified when we put out more of it. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you next time.